Hey YouTube, it's AdamX20 Professor Ebro, and I'm here with another Pious Paladin beta update. It's been a while since I've posted an update. I've been working on quite a few new features. One of them is the new overlay. I do not remember actually putting a video up about the new overlay. This is a work in progress as it is right now, but instead of having the menu open up on just the right hand side, you can see the menu open up on the right hand and left hand side. On the left hand side will be the rule sheet, and then you can open up and edit the rule sheet from there. And then on the right hand side will be all of the other options. There's a new way to rotate, which is now it's arbitrary rotation. So you can set the rotation just like this, any way you want to, so you're not stuck with the 60 degrees or 90 degrees that's the way it was before. And let's see, so everything else is pretty much the same. We still have the little plugins menu here, and then all of the options to add to the game tree. I've also added, or I've updated the Warhammer version 2 character sheet. This is because it's over here on my other desktop. This is because of the amount of lag I was experiencing with the new node conversion. It's really more of a Windows 7 issue, I've noticed, though here on my Linux platform I also notice it too. There is some delay in converting large nodes like this when a new node version is available. But it's pretty important that this gets streamlined later on, because the process is really needed. If I create a new grid node, you'll see another option. Grid nodes now lock nodes. If I were to right click on this node, you'll see the option to lock the node, and then I can lock it, and then the background changes color, and then you can't edit that node. Now you can unlock it and still edit that node, but the main reason this is here for is for large character sheets with auto calculations, and if someone were to build a nice node with a whole bunch of automatic calculations and they wouldn't want somebody to edit some of those calculations, they can then lock that node, and then the person would be unable to edit that cell without actively going in and unlocking it. For the most part, those are the main features that have been added. I'm going to be working on streamlining, threading, overall streamlining the core of the software, but I'm also going to work on a new layout system. I like the current layout, and it's still going to be an option, but there's one reason why I really don't like it, and that is because the map is only this big right here. So I would like to work on a new layout system that really opens up the map, and all of these windows take more of a second position to the map. But it'll be an option for people. And yeah. Oh, another thing that I'm reminded of is I've worked on the new theme engine. You can see I'm using the dark theme. I can go over to settings here, which also has some new options, but I can go over to the settings here, and the Westnaught theme is just there for something I'll work on later. And if I choose default and then click apply, it'll go to the default theme. Everything should update the way it is with the new default theme. Creating themes is probably not as easy as it will be in the future, but it's all of a CSS based or CSS like language, so you'll be able to modify themes and create your own themes and work on that for if you want to. You know, you can customize your software. OpenRPG remains open. There's also, you'll be able to change the icon size of your game trees here. Right now the scale is 15 to 25, but that might open up later, and then you can decide what your game tree options are when you double click on them. If you want to just open the node, I can double click on this and it will open here. I can choose to close others, and then if I double click on this one, if that one's open, it will open, but if I have other ones open, then it should close all the others, but apparently it doesn't, so I will fix that. Now if I choose open and close, then it should open this one and close all the others, but again, that option isn't working as it's supposed to. So a couple bugs that I need to work on, but those are the new features, and in the meantime I'll be working on the new floating layout and playing in my D&D Next game. So until I release another video, I will see you later.